Hello guys, nagawa ako na magbe-blend ako ulit ng guys, ng fruits, and then magano ako ng gulay, magbe-blend din ako ng gulay. Hugas na to lahat guys.
Sa premier lang.
Lagi, tinanay mo ba yung yung watermelon?
Opo.
Watermelon? Itong itong yellow? Ito?
Hindi naman po kumain yan.
Ito yung maliso na hindi mo tinanim? Mahal kaya to? Ganda pa to.
Melon? Hindi po.
Dapat tinanim mo.
Hindi naman kami kumain.
Pag hindi kayo kakain, hindi kayo magtanim. Ha?
Paano mo kukunin? Bubuksan mo?
Ito, yung ganyan. Di ba nagagawa ako?
Hindi po.
Ayan o, yung ganyan.
Kasi galing po.
Punta ka rin sa nakapin mo. No? Tulog na kayo?
Opo.
Gupit ka ng ilan. Dapat ito yung ganito oh. Dapat kinuha mo yan tapos itanim doon. Para hindi masayang. Kumuha ka na nga yung bowl una. Maliit. Lagyan natin ito. Tapos ng papaya pa. Ayun na.
Meron mami ah.
Dito lang kami sa rated #1 mobile network sa
Saan
Pinas.
mo pag
Dito na tayo.
atras mo kaya? Ay, fast forward.
Is very slow, and we have noted
Loading.
that there is a designated
Sarap ng
motorcycle
papaya guys.
parking not very far from the shrine. Here in the Philippines, motorcycle is really on the rise.
Bundak talaga yung cellphone.
As a means for delivering food, and also it is for hire, like angkas. I think that's what they call it. Reaching your destination is a little bit faster using the motorcycle, considering that the traffic here in the Philippines is really bad. From the parking lot to the shrine, the Padre shrine, is quite a bit of a walk. And when we got to the shrine, it is really
Alain mami sa Ernest.
Earning man yan. Earning. Ano, yung
before
earning ba
we
yung
stopped at Padre
pag may
Pio's
business ka, so may
70 shop.
earnings ka
And
na pera.
after that, most of the people had already left, and it is now
So ito guys, magbe-blend tayo ng
from the
fruits.
shrine. We decided
Parang
to
ano,
go
yung
to
parang
the
fruit
newly
shake na
opened
mix everything.
store at Santo Tomas. Gusto ko sana guys bumili ng mga souvenirs sa SM Cultura section. However, wala silang Cultura section dito. It's a little bit frustrating, but it is time to go home now. Thank you guys for watching and for traveling with us today. We had a long road trip and I am glad we were able to visit the Padre Pio Shrine. At saka dito sa bagong Santo Tomas SM Mall. Meron palang magandang coffee and tea shop here. At meron din silang mga pastry. Ginabi na kami guys, so we will spend the night here in Pagsanghan, Laguna. We will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.
Saan ka dan?
Hmm?
Sabi mo dan?
Opo.
Ako muna. 9:30 ka, di ba?
Sabi mo dan? So yun guys, i-blend natin. Ayan. Yan na yung biniblend natin. Pasensya na guys, hindi ko na ano sa inyo. Nakalimutan. Ayan, ito yun guys. Yung biniblend ko na ano. So, ilagay ko siya dyan. And then after, ilagay natin sa ref. Ayan. So, yummy, delicious. And then after, ito gulay naman ang gagawin natin. Ayan. So, thank you so much guys. Love you all. Please support mo yung Bagson Porter. Bye-bye. Love you. Share.
Oh.